If you've been watching either one of my tutorials about how to overclock your monitor using AMD or NVIDIA software, but you're stuck using a laptop with Intel graphics, then don't worry, because you can still overclock whatever screen, TV, projector, whatever you're using, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Step 1 is to right-click on the desktop background and choose Intel Graphics Settings. Once you see something like this pop up, go ahead and click on Display on the left. On the left, where it says General Settings, Color Settings, Multiple Displays, and Custom Resolutions, click on Custom Resolutions. It's going to pop up a warning message, and yes, you can damage anything just about when you overclock it, so don't go too crazy and understand that you are technically putting your stuff at risk. If you agree to those terms and you're aware of the risks, then you can go ahead and type in the width, height, and refresh rate of the image you would like on your screen. If you're plugged into another monitor or a second screen where it seems to crop the outside edges, then you can adjust the underscan percentage that will help to not get that image quite so cropped. But for now, you just want to stick in the native resolution of your monitor in the width and height fields, make sure not to get those mixed up, and type in the refresh rate you want. I would recommend going up in increments of no more than 5 at a time for the refresh rate. But to be extra safe, I'm only going up by 1. Click on Add in the bottom right corner, confirm those are the settings you want, and then realize that if you're in the same situation as me, you may not necessarily be able to overclock the screen. Unfortunately, the Intel graphics I have built into my laptop are not capable of doing anything more than 1080p 60Hz, so I'm not able to overclock my screen. But if you're using a desktop integrated graphics solution, or you're connected to a low resolution screen or something, perhaps this will work for you. So I wasn't able to overclock with my Intel graphics, but hopefully you were able to. If you were or weren't, leave a comment down below because I'm curious to know what the success rate is. Anyway, I've got to destroy a whole bunch of hard drives over here, so I'll let you go and see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see destroying a bunch of hard drives with an airsoft gun.